Want to turn kitchen scraps into black gold for your garden, but worried it's too complicated or smelly? This is your ultimate composting cheat sheet. I'll show you how to start a foolproof compost pile in under 3 minutes. Compost is nature's recycling program, breaking down kitchen scraps and yard trimmings into a nutrient-packed soil amendment. You'll reduce landfill waste, save money on fertilizer, and get incredible garden soil for free. Pick a shady spot. A compost bin keeps things tidy. You can buy one or DIY it with pallets or wire. Aim for a bin about 3 feet cubed. This size is key for the pile to heat up properly. The recipe has 4 parts: browns, greens, water, and air. Browns are dry, carbon-rich things like leaves and cardboard. Greens are wet, nitrogen-rich things like kitchen scraps and grass clippings. The golden rule is the ratio. Use 2 to 3 parts browns for every 1 part green. This prevents a slimy, stinky mess. Finally, your pile should be as moist as a wrung-out sponge. Use the lasagna method. Start with a thick base of twigs for airflow. Then, layer your greens and cover them with a brown layer that's twice as thick. Give it a light sprinkle of water. Repeat these layers, always burying food scraps under a layer of browns. If you're finding this helpful, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple gardening guides. Quickly, here's what to leave out. No meat, fish, dairy, or oily foods. They attract pests. Also, no pet waste, diseased plants, or weeds that have gone to seed. Maintaining your pile means turning it with a pitchfork every week or 2 to add air. This prevents most problems. If it does smell bad, it's usually too wet or has too many greens. The fix is the same. Turn it and add more dry browns like leaves or shredded cardboard. If your pile isn't hot, it might be too small, too dry, or needs more greens. Your compost is ready when it's dark, crumbly, and smells like earthy soil, which can take a few months to a year. Mix this black gold into your garden beds and pots. That's it. You're ready to turn your trash into treasure. If you have questions, drop them in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy composting!